Hey everybody, this is Tina. Welcome back to my channel. So as promised, I am here to share the cards that I made with this kit that I bought from Simon Says Stamp last month. It was pandas, and of course I love pandas. So I bought the kit for the first time. I've never bought a Simon Says Stamp kit before, and I'm very happy with what they sent. So I did share the kit when I first got it. And what you get in it is this huge stamp set. And so we have the 4 different pandas, lots of birthday sentiments, the balloons that spell out happy, and then we have birthday, happy, party time, and oh my gosh, like I forgot your birthday. There's gifts, the balloons. It's just a really big stamp set, and it's really good quality. In here was the paper that gave you samples of cards, but I did my own. The things that I have left, they gave you a panda die, and it comes with this flocking stuff, which is a flock transfer sheet, and you get white and you get black, and you get 4 sheets of each. And then this is the sticky stuff that you cut out, and then you would cut the bear out of the felt and of the sticky paper, and then you would put the felt on the sticky paper. I did not use this part of the kit as of yet. So I'm just going to set that aside. I did use a lot of papers, and they give you Doodlebug paper. I think it's like a half a book of paper. I'm not sure how many sheets you get, but I still have some left, and I have some scraps in here left, so I'll be using that next time I dig in and open this kit up to use it. Okay, so let me share with you my cards that I made. Alright, so this is the first card. And this is using the panda that's laying flat. I don't know if you guys can see this. This panda here is laying flat. There's the happy balloons. And then I put the birthday down here. This was Doodlebug paper that was in the kit. I used a tag die that I had to create these 2 layers, the yellow and the white. And then I added these little tiny acrylic, or not acrylic, enamel hearts. And they are from CC Designs. I'm not sure they still sell them. I hope they do, because these are like one of my favorite enamel dots because they're so small. So it's really pretty. I'll bring it up so you can see it close. And then here's the inside. I used some of the paper, and then I also used the stitch tag die again. And the inside says, party like a panda because birthdays only happen once a year. So that's what the inside is. And I did use the black cards that I bought from Hobby Lobby yesterday on this one. And what I did was I just decorated the front like that, so you can write your name and your address of who you're sending it to. So, yeah, that was nice. I'm glad I bought those cards. They aren't quite as big as an A5 card, and I'll show that to you. But it says that they're, I think the packaging said it was A5. Could be less, but that's the first card. And then here's the second card. And this is what I mean. If you put this on top, so you see the difference? You still get like this much in the A5 size cards. So these are a little bit smaller, but that's all right. I really like them. So here's the second card. And this one I used the party bear, the panda bear that's sitting down blowing the little party favor, and then he has a hat on. I stamped out the present, and here are the balloons. They had all these different balloons. They had a heart one, a star, and 2 different shapes. Like this is circle, this is oval. So I cut out all 4 balloons, colored them in different colors, and then I put the strings in the panda's hand, and then I took a little piece of twine that's blue glitter twine, and I put a string in the middle so it looks like the balloons are being tied together with the string. And then I used some dies in my stash, the scallop stitch circle die, the word celebrate, that's a word die I have in my stash, and the papers in the background. This I just basically just ran a strip here and cut the bottom into a flag. The teal paper came in the kit. And then at the end I put glossy accents over the balloons, over the ribbon on the gift, and over the word celebrate. So that's that card. And here's the inside. Okay, so that's the second card that I made. And then here's another one that I did. This one here. And this one I used a white card base, then a black mat, and then the Doodlebug paper with the balloons in it. And this die was from the In Love Art Shop that I just recently displayed. This die, when I got it, I showed a project I did with it, and I showed the die itself. And so I used that. It's stitched on the inside. It has hearts, and then it has scallops on the outside. And it's an oval shape, and I think it comes in 3. I think there's 3 different sizes. This is the medium size. I put the white in the background. I colored with Copics, and then I stamped some confetti all around the bear. And then down here I used the Celebrate again. I cut it out about 5 times, put it on top of each other, and then glossy accented the piece. It gives it a real nice thick piece, and it feels kind of like an enamel word, but it's not really, but the glossy accent really makes this pop. And then I used just 2 layers and did the black and the pink at the bottom. Okay, and then here's the inside. Has the same sentiment, party like a panda, because birthdays only happen once a year. And I just added some pieces of scrap paper left over that match the front of the card. I always bring it in and put it in the inside. Okay, so that's the 4th card. I did 5 cards, you guys. I have 1 more to share with you. And this is the 4th card. I'm sorry. I just said that, didn't I? So I used the white base card base. It's from Michaels. And then I used a black layer here, some of the Doodlebug paper at the bottom, and then I had a piece of scrap pink stripes that was Doodlebug paper that matched. I think it's the back of this one. And so I did a stripe here, and then I did the birthday, and I layered it about 3 or 4 times, put the glossy accent on it. I love doing that. It just really pops off the card. Here's that oval heart scallop die again. I used the panda that was sitting down blowing the party horn, the party favor, and the hat. And then here's the balloon happy, and I did it in different colors, and then I glossy accent the top of that too. And these hearts were the negatives out of the die, and I just kind of stuck them on either side. So that's that card. I think they came out really cute. And then here's the inside. The only thing I did in the inside was I used this panda washi tape, and I had gotten this a long time ago from, oh, I can't remember her name. She was in the military, stationed in Hawaii. No, she was stationed in Japan, and she had sent me 2 rolls of this sticky tape. It's not quite washi. It's like a sticky tape, and it has pandas on it. And I hadn't used it. I put it away for a long time, and I decided to take it out and use it. So we got different pandas here doing different things. And then I stuck a little piece right here too. And then you can write your sentiment here. If there's not enough space, you could always write on the other side. So that is the 4th card. So those are the cards that I made with my panda set from Simon Says Stamps. This one here. And now I'm going to put this away, and I have to work on my house mouse, because today is Thursday the 15th, and I have 2 days to get my video ready for the house mouse collaboration on the 17th of August. If you're interested in that, please come back and watch. And we've been doing this every 3rd Saturday of every month for the whole year. So this will go in all the way through to December. And if you want to see the videos from the past, I do have a playlist, and it says House Mouse Collaboration, and it starts off with the first video, which was the introduction video, and then it goes into each month all the way up until now. And this month, August 17th, which is this Saturday, will be our share. So I will be working on those cards for the next 2 days to get that ready for you guys. Thank you so much for coming over and watching. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope you like what you see. Come back for more fun videos. Give me a thumbs up. God bless, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.